Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pom。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Lim Zap Siu. That's Joseph Lin in Hakka, and I'm very happy to be here again with Alice to teach you Practical Hakka. 最近我常跟 Leo 都会讲食物，跟你比较少讲食物的东西了，
因为我不爱吃是吗？
没有，其实因为你太爱吃了，怕讲了你会饿。但是呢，我们避免不了，还是要教一些实用的客家话呢，还是要跟食物有关好了，要不要？ So let's do something really simple again. Let's talk about food, about getting some food, obtaining certain food. For instance, I want to buy a lunchbox and also a cup of beverage, all right? 就是我要买一个便当，还有加一杯饮料。常常中午会可能叫同事帮忙买嘛，对不对？How do you say that?
老嗌買一隻偏凍，
老嗌買一隻偏凍，
加一筆鹽雞。
啊，我記得這個加一筆就是加一杯。
對
，all right, that means and also a cup of 鹽雞，啉的。喝的 All right, 飲雞 that means a beverage, okay? And 偏凍 that means a lunchbox, all right? So that's very common. People would actually ask people to buy that for you during lunchtime or even dinner. And sometimes you're craving for dessert and you want to buy a cake. 我想要買一個蛋糕。
我愛買一隻雞卵糕。
哦，雞卵糕不是要亂搞哦，是要蛋糕哦，不亂搞哦。All right, that means a cake, okay? I want to buy a cake. 我愛買一隻雞卵糕。
那海陸腔，雞卵糕。
哦，雞卵糕 ，OK 這個就不是在亂搞了哦。這個雞卵糕 that's a different dialect for a cake。哦，有的時候呢，朋友或同事之間有要結婚的哦，就會送什麼東西呢？喜餅，對。When people get married here in Taiwan, they would actually give friends and family members a gift, which is a wedding cake. It's actually a pastry. It's a wedding pastry that looks like a pie, 也就是喜餅。同事送了我一盒喜餅，怎麼說？
同事送我一盒太餅。
太餅 ，OK， 就是喜餅咯。
對，就是大大的。
哦，太餅 ，OK， 太餅 is that wedding pastry. And then 同事送了我一盒喜餅。My colleague gave me a box of wedding pastries.
同事送我一盒太餅。
同事送我一盒太餅。Okay, 一盒 that's one box, all right? 一盒的意思。There you go. Terms associated with Practical Hakka, and that does it for today's show.
什麼大家？
俺自 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.